it's Marcus and
Tristan.
Today we are making
Hand sanitizer!
Woohoo! We only need 3 ingredients. It's easy to make. We need rubbing alcohol, aloe vera gel, and essential oil. First, pour 3/4 of a cup of rubbing alcohol into the bowl like we have here. Then pour 1/3 of aloe vera gel into the bowl. Then add 8 to 10 drops of essential oil, like vanilla, cinnamon, or lavender to make it smell like.
It says right here, look.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you have to mix it all together like this.
Like a tornado.
Now finally, hold on. Okay, so finally, then you have can you help me pour it into the hand sanitizer?
Yep.
Thanks. Okay. And also, kids, let an adult be with you because this is not for just one person to do by themselves. And you can also pour it in a travel container from the dollar store like this here. And then your hand sanitizer is ready to use. We hope you found our video helpful.
I put it
Please
the wrong way.
like and subscribe to our video. It is free to subscribe. See you next time. Oh, and one more thing.
Remember to keep each other.
No, remember to be kind and to each other and be safe. See you next time. Oh, and also remember to like and subscribe to our channel. It is free to subscribe. Okay, bye. See you next time.